Yesterday night, I was pondering upon a thought that was running in my mind, and finally, I decided to make this video. So, this is Sarai in the Bible. In Genesis chapter 12, verse 11 says that when he was about to enter Egypt, he said to Sarai, his wife, I know you are beautiful woman in appearance. So he was telling her in appearance, I think the external about her, and he said, you are beautiful. Of course, she might be beautiful within, but he was talking about her external appearance. So even after giving birth to a child, she was still beautiful. So if you get a compliment from your man that you are the most beautiful woman in the world, then that's the greatest compliment you can ever receive. So if your partner is loving you, irrespective of your height, irrespective of your weight or complexion or hair, you are really blessed. But even if your man is not admiring your beauty, even if your man is not telling that you are good, you don't have to worry about it. If you are single mother or if you are single woman, you don't have to worry about your external look, because the God who created you says, what I made is good. So when he formed you with his hands, he liked his work. So if God said you are beautiful, you don't need anybody's recognition that yes, you are beautiful, because God says you are beautiful. The second image over here is the image of Rebecca. In Genesis chapter 24, verse 16 says that, now the young woman was very beautiful, to behold a virgin. No man had known her. So Rebecca was beautiful in the Bible. But when we think about us, are we not beautiful like the ladies in the Bible? We too are beautiful. And God created us uniquely in all stages of your life. Rebecca was a virgin and she was not married to anyone. Sarah was a woman with a child. So in all stages of your life, you should love the beauty of what God created you. In all stages of your life, you should like yourself. You are beautiful. Every woman is unique and beautiful. If I ask some ladies, if I say their hair are very good, and they said, oh, I was so beautiful before 10 years or before 15 years because I had a long braid and thick hair and silky hair, but now my hair fall happened and I am not that good as before. Most of the women says that, but one thing you need to understand, you must love yourself in all stages of your life, be it you're 30 in your 30s or in your 40s, even in your 70s or 80s. In all stages of your life, you must love yourself. And this picture is of Queen Esther. And they brought up Hadassah, that is Esther, her name was Hadassah, his uncle's daughter, for she had neither father nor mother. And the maid was fair and beautiful, as per Esther chapter 2 verse 7. If you are orphan, Esther didn't have parents. If you're orphan, don't think that you're poor. You're rich in your beauty. God has created you beautifully. Don't think that I don't have a husband, I don't have a child, I don't have parents, I don't have a sponsor, I don't have supporter. Don't think about anything, because you are a child of God and you are beautiful. The world will see that you are beautiful. So, this is about Esther, the queen in the Bible. One thing that I would like to say here is God made us beautiful. Our God is a creator. So, why we must not take care of his creation? When I was working, that time I was staying in a place where we were sharing that particular house. Almost 2 to 3 girls were staying in one house, and I found out that one particular girl over there, she was taking lot of time in doing makeups. Every time I see a brush in her hand and she's painting her face, and she was taking almost 40 to 45 minutes to get herself ready. And I asked her, why are you not natural? Why you always put lot of colors on your face? Then she said, God is a creator, so we must be creative. So what a thought. And I was deeply thinking about that thought. If a God is a creator, we must be creative. So whatever God has created, we need to keep taking care of it. We need to polish it, we need to shape it. That means we need to do every time exercise, because overeating will change our body type. So we have to be special, cautious about our body, our looks, and we have to take care of it. So when you will take care of your body, when you are good within, if you have positive thoughts, if you think good about yourself within, if you like yourself within, you will take care of your body. Outwardly, you will try to look good, and you will take care of your body so well, because our God is a creator and you are the work of his hand, so you must be creative. And that particular girl was looking so awesome and stunning after she used to do makeup, and through her I learned how to take care of myself. If your hair, you think that they are not good, try doing something about it. Take care of yourself. If you look at celebrities, why they look so pretty? Because they take care of their diet, their body, and their hair, their skin. So they look different than others, because they take lots of care about their self. So if we take care of what God created, then he would be very happy. If you look at earth, the earth was formless and it was rough, and God's spirit was hovering over it. It didn't have shape before, but God worked 7 days and made a beautiful world. He formed the earth, and he made it beautiful, and he created man and woman in his image and placed them in the garden. So likewise, if you look at a diamond and a stone before, out of this stone the diamond was made. So if you look at the stone, there are rough edges and it was formless, not polished. But when the artist did the work of polishing and shaping and molding, it turned out a masterpiece. So you need to understand what God created. You have to take care of it, keep shaping it, keep polishing it, and you would love yourself. If you do workout every day, you would love yourself. Don't do it for others, do it for yourself, do it for God. Because when God looks at you, if He is happy looking at you that you are taking good care of your health, He will bless you more. You will live longer. The Bible says that the more you take care of your body and your diet. So this is the beautiful example I found out. Look at this diamond, how beautiful it is. And it will sparkle. Your life has to be a sparkling life. And you would see that what God created, you add on to it and look amazing. Now this is Rachel. We know the story of Rachel. Leah's eyes were delicate, but Rachel was beautiful of form and appearance, as per Genesis 29:17. When we look at colorful stones, they fade due to more exposure to light after some time. So it is very important that we secure our jewel and precious stones in a case. And you might have observed that for different ornaments, there are different types of case which would be suitable for that particular ring or an earring or any type of ornament. So case is very important in order to keep your precious items. And you might be knowing that if two different types of metals kept together, it will rub. So it is not advisable for two different types of metals to be kept in one case. So Bible says that there are people who are beautiful, but still, when we look at the story of Rachel and Leah, Leah was also beautiful in the sight of God. God gave her more children, and her husband took care of her as well. So don't think yourself that you are nothing. Don't think that life is not fair with you. You are blessed and you are good in the sight of God. God doesn't, say these are the only beautiful women in the Bible. You are also beautiful in the sight of God. So start your day with this positive note and take care of yourself and live longer. God bless you all.